Your grade A's, your distinctions, your qualifications, your certificates, they're not going to help you book celebrity clients. And look, I get it. I'm the first to admit that I paid a stupid amount of money to go to a fancy makeup course in London where I spent tens of thousands of dollars, only to come away with no idea how to get booked. I got distinction on my projects. I work really hard. But at the end of it, I felt so alone and I literally had no idea how to get booked. But it makes sense because school, all that had ever taught me to do was to get the grade A, right? The grade A was the thing that was going to make me successful. But the thing is, school wasn't made with creatives in mind. That was my creative endeavors were always going to be cute hobbies, not a business. So look, I realized pretty quickly that if I wanted people to see my work, I needed to learn how to market myself. And more than anything, I needed to start thinking of myself as an actual business. And that shift in identity, that shift of being creative and a CEO, that changed everything. So what I did do was I learned how to become the master of getting booked with celebrities, without having an agent, without having 1 million followers on Instagram. And I want to show you exactly how I did it. I've refined this skill for you, and I'm going to show you how I did it in my upcoming training, how to book celebrity clients in any market, and how to double your bookings.